Valentine's Day. I'm Joyce Scola. If you don't have a significant other in your life, that's okay. Today's school is going to be all about loving yourself. Because if you don't love yourself, how can you love someone else or expect somebody else to love you? So let's go ahead and show ourselves some compassion and sweet, caring love. We're going to start on our knees here. Coming up nice and tall. My knees are about hips distance apart. I'm going to inhale, reach my arms up overhead, heart is lifting, breathing in all that love and energy from the sun. Exhale, I'm going to bend forward halfway, bringing my hips back, elbows touch back together. Inhaling up, exhaling to fold. Inhale, open. Exhale, keep the palms up and just swing the arms back this time. Breathing here. One more inhale. Exhale, go ahead and place your hands underneath your shoulders. Doing a little cat-cow here. I'm going to inhale to lift my tailbone, bring that heart forward, neck is long. Exhale to curl back. Inhale, pull forward. Exhaling to round. Inhale. Exhale, round. Beautiful. I'm going to spin my right leg out and then straighten my left leg, taking it nice and long. Inhale, bring that arm up overhead. Micro bend in the standing arm. Open that heart up. Exhale to tap that hand to the earth. Inhale, open. Exhale, lower. Inhale once more. Exhale, tap that hand down. Go ahead and slide it back underneath your shoulder. Lower the other knee. Take a gentle cow pose here. Exhale, coming to tabletop. Spin your other heel out now. Right leg straightens out. Spin the heel down. Soft elbows, long neck. Inhale to open the heart. Exhale, tap your hand. Inhale, open. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, tap. And then walk that hand back underneath your shoulder. So now I'm going to take my hands longer out in front of me, lowering my chest and my underarms to the mat, keeping the shoulders down my back. Little puppy pose here, breathing. You can tuck your forehead or keep your chin lifted. Sits bones are spreading wide and pulling back. Exhale to shift forward onto the belly. I'm going to take my arms out to the side, tenting my palms up onto my fingertips, elbows reaching up towards the ceiling. Inhale, press into the feet, lift the torso. Exhale, dip your right shoulder, look at your left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, dip. Inhale. Exhale. Moving at your own pace with your breath. Inhaling. Exhale. Inhaling up. Last dip. And then we'll inhale to come to center. You can lower your palms, maybe bring them in a little bit more. Soften those elbows. Back of the neck long, letting your heart fill with love. If you need to lower your elbows, you can. You are loved, you are safe, you are cared for. And we'll exhale, lowering all the way down. Bring your hands underneath your shoulders, tuck your toes, scoot your knees up, which lifts your hips. Exhale, press back into a legs together child's pose here. I'm going to reach my hands up by my feet. I'm just settling here. Loving yourself, caring for yourself. You are worthy. Rocking the forehead side to side. And you're rocking on those hips, massaging out the thighs. And then coming to center, getting nice and close, squeezing your whole body. Breathing into your upper back, behind the heart. Inhaling into the rib cage. And then into the low back. And then we'll reach the neck back out long. Arms come out in front of us. Take a nice long stretch here. Exhale, walk those hands back towards your hips. And just breathe for a moment. Thank your body. Love your body. For no matter what your address is, your body is your true home. Nourishes you, guides you, protects you, and heals you, all without being asked or told how. Thank you, body. Love you, body. I appreciate you joining in. I hope you also thank yourself for giving yourself this time to fill your cup and show a little self-love and care. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.